Uh, Video Project Unit A and 9. Web Project Unit A and Family Quiz. A web project under here, a research tool for the elderly in Japan on the internet. Use these keywords and do your own keywords in research. Elderly care in technology in elder care involves in elderly care. Their response to the questions may use information from the answers. And what are some examples of who the elderly are being cared for in the country which is the research? Offering free social and healthcare assistance and 300 million euros are allocated to force and home care for the elderly. It depends on people with disabilities and the temples or the social service centers and nursing homes assist the homeless. Establishments that daily deliver high hygiene and food and drink kit to homeless people. Explain the prevention measures to them and measure the temperature and provide guidance if necessary. Enable a green space has already been done. um, IFEMA in Madrid and to host a guarantee hygiene in food and maintain the homeless people with social and health and professional and bring the possibility of installation area for effect in the people. And what are some reasons why this country might be choosing this approach to elder care? Uh, one main reason would be to prevent this from being abandoned elderly who are exposed to coronavirus, to avoid more deaths and take care of your health by improving the benefits of the residents and seniors on a building. What do you think about elder care in the country you research? I think that it's a moral duty to take care of the elderly. For example, in Spain, if they are paying for their health and stability, Spain currently has 22% of inhabitants over 65 years of age. And compared to 8.2% in 90 in 90 in 1960, and now forecast for 2021 of um, of the 16.2%. We details are who plays itself at the head of this increasingly necessary care of the older ones. When the world it will not replace human until we work more together. The project 29 facts, theories, and hypotheses. The project mysteries. A research mystery surrounding the Anasazi on the internet uses keywords and your own keywords in your research. Anasazi is birthday, clean the duties, and words the response to the questions and misinformation from the process. Who were the Anasazi? Um, the Anasazi indigenous people who built their tool on a cliff. The Anasazi are one of the most mysterious cultures in the world. Geographically, uh, when and where do they live? Geographically located in the southwestern United States between the current states of Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico. They settled on cliffs that are difficult to access to disappear from history a few decades leaving their belongings behind as if they truly they returned but never became. What are two resolved mysteries regarding the assassin? What are some of the theories that have been proposed to answer the mysteries? Um, eh, the disappearance of Puerto El Chaco at Temple City and its religion unsolved mysteries. They are different theories. One of them is the existing of a several dog that forced them to move the objects, and another that is said that this culture performed rituals in communities. It is one of the mysteries in regarding the disaster, which of the theories do you find to be the most plausible explanation? Um, Stonehenge, um, the building had many wonder how it was possible to move these immense remains of the strong foundation, uh, supposed carriers of boats more than 100 kilometers away to the place of Avenue. They consider that a prehistoric man was a target being concerned um, concerned only with surviving and feeding from the dark and solitude of, of his cave, and that he did not have the technical means to carry out the enormous engine, engine, engineering attacks. That is why they think that it was the extraterrestrial extraterrestrial elder bodies who teleported those stones to create what will be some kind of magnetic receiver that will serve them in some way a as a vehicle and first of communications and technology of the early worlds. Thanks very much.